Hello and welcome to another update video about Cosmos Atom. So I will continue to track an overall potential bullish scenario. It is higher risk on this chart though, because the entire move here between June and September 22 is a corrective structure. So it could only be part of a larger diagonal. That always needs to prove itself. So be aware of that. We can then track a WXY structure into the June 23 lows. If we talk about Fibonacci retracements, we can see that price reacted to the 78.6 Fib level just about. It did drop below it, but it didn't sustain below it. That's what we want to see. Therefore, we give it a chance, even though this chart seems to be moving in diagonals. Of the June 22 low, 23 low, we have this 5-wave move, which again is only really a diagonal at best. But again, it could be a wave one. It could begin the next wave to the upside, the next uptrend. What it needs to do, however, it needs to prove itself. Diagonals always have to do that. They require confirmation. How do they confirm? So they confirm, first of all, 5 up. We've done that. Yeah, we've seen that. Ideally, you get these above resistance, these 5 waves. Now, it didn't go above resistance. Resistance is $10.20. We've got very clearly defined horizontal resistance. I think a break above that level, if it's a sustained break, would have some bullish impact, some bullish implications. But before that, we might carry on with this pullback currently, because after 5 up, you expect 3 waves down if an uptrend has started. Now again, it needs to prove that. First of all, we have a potential trend line here that we can draw. If that trend line breaks, I think we have confirmation that this C wave is unfolding. I'm already tracking the wave 2 as being, well, as unfolding right now. But I think only the A wave so far has bottomed. Could be that we're now in the B wave. Resistance for wave B is between $9.60 and $9.90. As long as price stays below $9.90, another low is expected in wave C. And we've got relevant support at $9. It should really ideally go below that. $8.70. $8.37 and then $7.92. As long as $7.92 is holding, we can be looking for a third wave to the upside afterwards, which would be quite a bullish move to the upside. First of all, though, it needs to show a local top. It hasn't done that, so the very short-term trend is still up. Overall, the trend is up at the moment, even though it's very messy, and it's a lot of overlapping price action, so it looks very corrective. Again, because it's 5 waves, we can give it the benefit of the doubt for something more bullish as a leading diagonal. But short-term trend is up, so as long as the trend line is holding, we can focus on higher. Just be aware this is Fib resistance. Ideally, it gets rejected here and comes down. A break above $9.90 already now would indicate it has a good chance to test and possibly break 10.20. But primarily, I'm looking here for the corrective structure A, B, C. Ideally, I'd like to get a rejection here somewhere and then one more low in the wave C, breaking the trend line and then finding support somewhere here for a possible setup for a third wave to the upside. That's my update about Atom. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.